Alright, so the mirror is loose on my 2012 Volkswagen Passat SE, so the glass is loose, but the plate's still intact, so I just took this off. And I bought this from Walmart. It's just Loctite all-purpose glue, so hopefully this works, which it should. It says it works on glass, which will be what we're doing here. So you apply it, it's a twist off, shake the case. Just be careful when you use this, because you can't inhale it. So I'm going to probably apply it to the mirror just because it's easier. I'm just gonna put it on like that. So I'll probably just do like a perimeter. And then like an X. And then just for good measure, I'll just do these directions as well. So that should be enough. And then I'm just going to press this in place. And then it takes 5 minutes for it to cure. So I'm just gonna apply pressure for maybe like 30 seconds. And then after 5 minutes, it should be intact. And that takes 24 hours to completely cure. So that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. So this is just an update. So I noticed that the mirror was actually sliding downwards. So I just stuck a folded piece of paper underneath the mirror, so it's between the actual casing and the piece of glass, and it's going to keep it up where I want it to be. And when it's all dried up tomorrow, I'll probably just pull it out. And you're probably going to have to hold it in place a little bit longer than a minute, to be honest. Not much more, maybe 3 minutes I would say is good. But just be wary of that. It is definitely doing much better right now. It doesn't wobble when I drive. It feels way more firm than it was before, so it is definitely a good solution.